Welcome everyone, my name is Anamika Kumari and my roll number is 20AE10003. For this assignment, I have written this code for controlling the speed of the motor using Arduino. So as we know that speed is directly proportional to average voltage. So by using this, we will control the speed of the motor by using PWM here. So I have initialized the PWM to 210 here. So now I will go to schematic capture. So this is the terminal and this is Arduino board. Here are some push buttons and this is the motor shield. This is L298 driver which is connected to two channels, channel A and channel B. Channel A is connected to output 1 and output 2, and similarly output 3 and output 4 are connected to channel B. So input 1, input 2 and enable A will be used to control the motor at channel A. So input 1 is connected to 12th pin which will control the directions of the motor. Input 2 is connected to the logic element XNOR. It will give high level output for two same inputs, and it will give low level output for two different inputs. So its second pin is connected to 8th pin which is enable or disable the brakes, and enable A is connected to 4th pin here. So for this assignment we will use only channel A motor which is connected to output 1 and output 2. So now I will run the simulation. So as you can see, the speed of the motor is increasing. So now it is settled at 38.3 RPM in clockwise direction. So now I will change the PWM value to 105, which is half of 210. So the speed of the motor should decrease by half as it is directly proportional to average voltage. So I have compiled it successfully, and now I will go to schematic capture and run the simulation again. So here as you can see, it is settled at 10 RPM because of the internal factors of the motor. Second part of the assignment, in which I have used the Node-RED interface for creating the dashboard. So this is my water level controller, and this is water level in centimeter. This is gas pressure controller, and this is gas pressure in the form of bar chart. So now you can see here that between 0 to 30 it will show green color, between 30 to 60 yellow color, and after 60 it will show red color. So now we will go to dashboard, and now we will control the water level with the help of this slider. So as you can see, 0 to 30 is green, and after that it is yellow, and after 60 it is red. So now I will control the gas pressure using this slider. You can see the bar chart. Thank you.